It's a new addition to my tstak collection. I have the tstak tote coming soon in a couple days too. I'll make a video on that. This one right here is the small flat top. The number for it is DWST 17807. And I have also ordered DWST 17809, which is the tote. And then this box right here, the deep box long handle, is DWST 17814. Close that. Alright. So this is the box. It's got a spot for your lock. A handle, you can hold like a suitcase. Top handle here too. It's also it's also named by dewalt, the tstak 2 Roman numerals. This one has the different style clips. I know these are the regular ones, but it has the steel pins inside of it. And in the back is steel pins for it. Some metal latches. Your label spot here. Of course, your dewalt branding on there. I have this set up for my power tools. It's also got, which I see not a lot of people mention, has these nubs here. And even this is a top box without the clips. Oh, those nubs will pop in, and it's not, I mean, it could still fall off going up, but it's not going to slide. Let's get this little thing, I don't know what it is. So pop that, lift that up. I got my steel jigsaw in here, and quarter power. I'm still a beginner with tools. It looks to have like a little rubber gasket in there, but I don't know. I know it may not be rated. Let me see. No, it's not waterproof or dustproof rated in the thing. I know the 2.0 is. It also has your tstak connect, so it screws right in there, and then you can track your stuff through the app. It's a pretty decent, I mean, it's 20 bucks. It's Amazon. I mean, you can fit this and this. I might buy another one for my grease gun. It's a polypropylene, very, very decently built for what it is and its price. You got aluminum handles, or a little lock. That's steel reinforced through there and there. I mean, you put a lock on this and lock it. I'm not gonna lock because I'm not fucking with it. But you can lock it. I mean, if someone really wanted to, they just cut the polypropylene. But, I mean, you're stealing tools like this, you're just gonna pick the thing. But you can lock it for extra security. Some people, they see locks and they're like, yeah, I'm not screwing with it. But it's a pretty decent box. I mean, for 20 bucks. And then I got the tstak tote. Oh, let's see here. This thing sits about, let's see here. Sorry, I don't have a cameraman. 6.5 feet tall. It stands 6.5 feet tall like this. Let's see. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Hold on. And then I'll measure. And about 1.2 inches or 1 foot 2 inches from front to back. And I'll clip it on tstak for you. So you lift it up, put it on there. Pops into the little nubs on top of this one. And these clips are tough because I just got it today. Hit it and it'll pop in. There we go. Once you do it a couple of times, they'll break in. Stacks on like so.